Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Putri Salsabilaskia from PKUP class. Today, I want to explain you the presentation by the title, Can Female Ulama Shape the Future of Islam? Lessons from KUPI and the Vision of Rahmatan lil Alamin. So to start our discussion today, let's look at why this question is very important to discuss today. So we can move to next slide. Okay, why does it matter? We know that many women have deep Islamic knowledge of Islam, yeah. However, religious authority is still dominated by male scholar. Since Islam is a religion for all humanity, we must ask, can Islam truly become a blessing for all without women's voices? This brings us to our main question today. Can female ulama shape the future of Islam? So to answer this, we need to understand the concept of Islam Rahmatan lil Alamin itself. And then to know the answer, we go to the next slide. Islam as Rahmatan lil Alamin. Maybe many of us often read this verse in the Quran in Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 107. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين. We have not sent you except as mercy to all creation. So from this verse, we can know that the core value of this verse is Islam bring mercy, justice, compassion, and human dignity. So Islam is mercy for all humanity, including women. So women should contribute to Islamic scholarship. Now, let's look closer at why the presence of female ulama is so important for our community. Why female ulama matter? Female ulama, they complement male scholars by bringing their own life experience, and then they can focus on real social issues that directly affect women and also children, such as domestic violence, sexual violence, and maternal health, and etc. So, by bringing different perspective, female ulama can help create a richer and deeper understanding of Islam. So, female ulama comes not to compete with male scholars, but to complete each other. So, in Indonesia, we have a great example for organization that supports female scholars. We call it KUPI. So, do you know what is KUPI? So, let's learn and know deeper about KUPI. KUPI is Indonesian Women Ulama Congress. KUPI is established in 2017. Yeah, its mission is to strengthen female ulama, promote inclusive leadership, and spread the vision of Islam as rahmatan lil alamin. And KUPI was actively addresses important issues like child marriage, sexual violence, environmental stewardship, and also focus on women's rights in Islamic law. So, KUPI has shown a great process, and its work is highly relevant to our nation. So, KUPI has a great contribution to our nation. And then let's see why this matters specifically for Indonesia. Why it matters for Indonesia? Yeah, as we know, female ulama can help our nation to build religious moderation and also build human dignity, and then can give better education, especially about women and children and other mustadafin. And then female ulama can build an inclusive leadership and also can bring peaceful for our society. So from this reason, we can know that stronger Indonesia, stronger from our nation, needs both of male and female scholars. So not only just uh, male scholars, but also female scholars, so they can work together. Yeah. Now, we can talk about the future of Islam. Looking ahead, what can we expect from what can we expect for the future of Islam? For the future of Islam, maybe my hope is I want that our nation will have more female scholars in the Islamic institutions, maybe like a researcher and a lecturer, a female lecturer uh, in the university, maybe, and then equal opportunities in religious leadership, both for men and women, and also the collaboration between men and women in every sectors, and then uh, stronger Islamic scholarship from both men and women, and from this we can we can build stronger Islamic scholarship and better serve humanity. So like I said before that female ulama come not to compete with male scholars, but to complete each other so they can work together and then build a better service to humanity. So at the end of my presentation, I will tell to you guys the conclusion with one sentence that's so important. The future of Islam will be brighter when every qualified voice is heard, including women's voice. So, thank you for listening. Maybe that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.